Do you know what is the most dangerous place on Earth? Maybe it's the Death Road in Bolivia or the Sahara Desert in Africa? In fact, the mountains are much more dangerous than all these places combined. Test your intuition and write down your guesses which one is the scariest. Why is this so? Because the sheer cliffs leave no chance for error, and lack of air and avalanches can bury even the most experienced climbers. The highest mountain, Everest. Oh yes, that's not it, because there is a mountain 30 times more dangerous than Everest and it's called Annapurna. There is one missing person for every 2 climbers on it. Despite the fact that it is 800 meters below Jamalungma, its steep slopes are so unpredictable that it is impossible to correctly predict when an avalanche will descend. Therefore, if you decide to climb, consider that it can come down at any minute. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more fascinating videos about our amazing world. See you soon, friends!